Hey Eddie, did you know that our neighbor got their windows cleaned?
Yes, they call TrueShine.
Gutters?
Yes, they call TrueShine.
They got their house pressure washed?
Yes, they call TrueShine.
And their awning?
Oh, why do you ask so many questions? They use TrueShine to get all of that done.
Well, I heard they are good at what they do.
Good? They're great at what they do. As a matter of fact, you should call them too. I heard your mother-in-law was complaining about the windows.
OMG, she complains about everything. She also said that I don't know how to cook.
If you're in the Houston area in the same situation as Pinky, call 832-713-3545 or visit them online at www.trueshinewindowcleaning.com.